Okay, so earlier I had posted Happy Easter to everyone. Make a long story short, and again, I apologize about the mess in my backyard here. I am going to put together Easter dinner. You can see that my smoker is just starting to go. Just put the timer on there, and it's really starting to go. I may have to go and change it real quick. I already have the wood chips soaking, and I have everything I think I need to get my turkey. Yes, I'm going to do a turkey because this is what I had left over from Thanksgiving. Okay, talk to you all later. Okay, again, just a couple little side notes here. Normally I would be leaving, I don't know if you can see it there, the little clamp that comes in with the turkey, but because we're doing this in a smoker, I have to pull everything out. You can see that I've washed everything and pulled out my, I guess, my inners, giblets or whatever, neck, and so forth. And also, I'm going with a dry rub, which is what they recommend. And I'm back to using my usual staples with the oregano, garlic, and so forth. But I also have a little seasoning here, little essence from Emerald that we made up. Alright, and here is my vertical stand. That is where we're going to actually put the turkey in. Alright, just wanted to make sure everyone got a chance to take a look. We have the bird in right now. Alright, so because we are at such a low temperature, we are probably going to have to leave this in for 4 hours. I'm not sure, but we're at 200 right now. Okay, we'll check in with you later. Well, here's the bird. Looks like I am finally done. About 5 hours later than I really wanted to be. But that's alright. Make a long story short, the egg, the green egg, when it was cooking, only got up to around 225, maybe 230 in temperature. So that resulted in, instead of a 3-hour cook, it resulted in like a 5-hour cook. But it looks like the bird came out very well. Again, everybody, happy Easter or Passover, and I hope you have a good remainder of the holiday, and stay safe out there.